Hey guys, it's Zipper and welcome to my very first unboxing video. I'm a huge fan of unboxing videos, so I'm excited to make my first unboxing video for you guys. And today we're going to unbox my new wallet. And actually, I didn't purchase this wallet myself. My sister got it for me when she was in Mexico. I basically told her what were my wants and needs of a wallet. So let's see how well my sister knows me. I'm kind of particular when it comes to my things, so yeah, this is going to be my first initial reaction of my wallet. So it comes inside this semi-goldish brown box and the brand is called Pumas. And I'm going to stop talking because I really want you guys to hear the sound of plastic. I think it's satisfying. So yeah, I'm going to stop talking. My first thought of my brand new wallet is I really like the color. It's like a deep chocolate brown. I also like the logo, the diamond with the puma on it. As you guys can see with my rings, I enjoy nice blingy things, but they're not too blingy. So this has just the right amount of bling. I also like the stitching that goes all around my wallet. It's just a really nice wallet. So I'm surprised how well my sister did. And here is the inside of my wallet, you guys. And don't worry, I'm going to give you an in-depth rundown of my entire wallet, but I just wanted to share my unboxing experience with you guys. Okay guys, I took my ID and credit cards out of my wallet, but basically they fit perfectly. I put my ID in this plastic pocket inside here, so that's one pocket. There's another one right here, so 2 and 3. So there's 3 pockets in that slot. And there's one right here, so that's 4 pockets on that side. And on this side there is 1 and 2 pockets. So that makes 6 pockets in total where you can put your ID, credit cards, and business cards. I really like the front of my wallet. It's minimal yet fashionable. So the front is amazing, and here is the back. It has dividers for your bills. So here you can put your small bills like this, and then on the other side you can put your larger bills, which I did. So I really like dividers because it keeps your money organized. As you guys can see, I like keeping my things organized. And that's not it, you guys. Right behind the dividers is a special spot for, wait for it, your change. I mean, if anyone knows me, I like a place where you can put your change that is secure, and right inside here you can put your change and it will never fall off because it's zipped inside. And I just love somewhere where you can put your change safely, because I feel like any amount of money is valuable, because 1 penny can equal $1 and $1 can equal $10, and you get the idea. So any amount of money for me is valuable. So if I can keep my change safely inside somewhere, I am happy because I know it won't fall out. And this is where I keep all my loose change, and it's just really nice. I mean, I feel like it's secure, and I don't know why, but security means a lot to me. So once I zip it up, I know my change won't fall out. And one thing you guys have to remember is you have to put all your change in one side of the wallet. So you have to just like put it in one side, like I'm going to do it right now, so it can easily close. If you don't do that, your wallet won't close easily. But yeah, I really like this wallet. It's minimal yet fashionable. It has a little bit of bling, and I'm testing it right now to see if anything will fall out of my wallet. So let's see. Shook it a little bit, and no, all my bills are in place and all my change is safe inside there. And yeah, I mean, I really like this new wallet. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and check out my other videos where I show my older wallets. I have like 2 other videos with my previous wallets that I bought. And thank you for watching, you guys. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.